P2S manual bed leveling. Remove the build plate from the heat bed. Using a 2mm hex wrench, fully tighten the 3 heat bed leveling screws. On the printer's touchscreen, open the print files, find the manual leveling G-code file. The file can be found on the manual leveling wiki page and downloaded to a USB, which is then plugged into the printer to access it as shown. Press print to start the leveling procedure. The heat bed will move up and the tool head will move to a corner and wait there for 30 seconds. During that time, insert a sheet of printer paper between the nozzle and heat bed and loosen the corresponding bed screw until the nozzle provides some slight resistance to the paper's movement. This can be checked visually by ensuring no gap between the paper and nozzle. Once the bed starts moving down, stop tightening and move clear of the tool head's next movement. On the next corner, once again loosen the corresponding adjustment screw to ensure slight resistance to the paper. For the final corner, repeat the same process again. This entire cycle will then happen 2 more times for a total of 3 chances to adjust each corner to ensure accuracy. It is highly recommended to complete all 3 cycles. Replace the build plate on the heat bed. Navigate to Settings on the print screen, go to Calibrate, Print Calibration, and run Auto Bed Leveling Calibration. Vibration compensation is optional.